Hi everybody. In this video we're going to look at an overview of how we will use KhanAcademy in class. Once you are logged in, you will be presented with this interface. Now, depending on what you're currently working and what is recommended, as well as what your teacher has given you, you will see different cards on this particular page. You may choose to resume, or you may choose to enter into the lessons that you are presented with here. Or you could also choose to click on subject and then choose computing and then choose computer programming. Once you have clicked this, you'll be able to see the different areas of computer programming that you can go ahead and learn. So in my HTML class, you click on Intro to HTML/CSS Making Web Pages. And in my programming class, you will click on Intro to JS or JavaScript, Drawing and Animation. Now, in this particular web page, you'd also be able to create new programs, new web page, and browse projects if you'd like to look at projects that are created by other people. If you click on Intro to HTML, the same thing, you would be able to click a new web page, but on the right hand side you will see a number of different lessons in which you will be able to look at, and you'll also be able to see challenges in which your skills will be enhanced. Let's look at some of the lessons or challenges that are in HTML. Here you are presented with a lesson that is also in a video format, wherein you can play the lesson, and as you go through the lesson, the resulting web page will show up on this particular site. What's good about this is that you can tweak this particular site here and make changes to it, and on the right hand side you will see all those changes you made. Down here you'd also see that there are questions that are asked by different people from all over the world. There are also tips and thanks here, and there are also spin-offs in which this particular web page has been taken and edited. Different people made a different version of it. You'd also see here a very helpful documentation. If you click that, you'd see different lessons in which you can go and learn, which is related to this particular topic as well. So as you watch the videos and as you go through the lessons, you'll be earning points, and those points will be reflected on your teacher's database with the programming class. There are again a number of different lessons that you can go through here, as well as challenges and quizzes. Let's look at some of the lessons that we have here. Again, we have a video, and this particular area here is also editable later on, and you can tweak this so that you'll have a different program, or you have a different output. If you'd like to ask some questions, and if you'd like to thank and give some tips, and if you want to make a spin-off of this particular program, you can do that. And you could also look at the documentation, which is very helpful. This allows you to explore more and dive deeper into different lessons or different functions that you can use. And lastly, if you'd like to create your own programs or web pages outside of the lessons, you'd be able to create them from here, or from here, as well as this one. So if you click, this would look very, very similar to each other. When you've done that, you can save that, and as soon as you save it, you'd be able to share it. So now that we've saved it, you'd be able to share it and copy the link. Now all your projects will be located in this particular area. So if you've created 100 projects or 100 pages, you'd all see them here. Now that's very similar to what your JavaScript program lessons will be. If you create a new program, you'd be able to name that program, you'd be able to write your program, and you'd be able to look at the documentation as well. And then lastly, you'd be able to save it and then share it to people. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.